Hi folks. Earlier I uploaded a video titled Selling 35 Shares of a Stock to Reinvest. Before I head out, many of my subscribers are gig workers. It's rainy, it's windy, so I thought I would upload this one more video because then I'm going to step back for a while. I've been reorganizing my portfolio. I sold some stocks to reinvest, and I did take a loss. But it's good at tax time to take a little bit of a loss because it'll balance everything out, especially if you include it with all your write-offs for your business. But I speak about a company that I found that I'm buying for pennies, 10 cents and under, that is a very futuristic company, and they already proved, I'll include the link in the description below, that in a year, their revenue increased by 200%, and in 1 month it increased by 13%. So I'll put that link in the description below. But I didn't really specify what kind of companies, the company I invested in, what kind of subsidiary companies did they buy into their 75%. And that's very important because it's a futuristic stock that I'm buying for pennies. It's a great find. You can visit the link in the description below if you want to learn more about that from my website if you're interested. Investor Stock Market is the webpage. So the company, the 7 subsidiary companies they bought into and own 75% of, it deals with voice over internet, the Internet of Things. These are all futuristic. Fintech companies, which is financial technology. Blockchain is a major player in their investment. The SMS, simple messaging system, that's texting, telecom carriers, and the blockchain that they're using. The company that they bought to use the blockchain, it's because with their telecom service, they want their customers to be able to buy anything from the mobile device, from the service carrier, the phone service carrier, with a click of a button, using, I apologize for the wind, it's really windy out there, using their blockchain company that they bought to allow the service to be done with a click of a button. And the blockchain is included with, if you want to transfer phone numbers to another plan and another phone with a click of a button using the blockchain. And they are included in all of that. And if you want to learn about that company that I'm buying thousands of stocks and thousands of shares in for under 10 cents, and they've already shown their worth of increasing their revenue percentages every day, you visit the link in the description below, or visit MyIncomeJob.com, and in the sidebar click on Investor Stock Market, because I do speak about the companies I invest in over there. I also want to discuss that the companies that I'm speaking about, I speak about XRP and XLM, they're crypto. But these companies that I'm investing in, that I found for pennies, that they're futuristic companies, I'm buying the stocks, the shares of stocks, through Fidelity. I should have said that before. I don't buy everything crypto. I just really promote XRP and XLM because it's an opportunity for everyone to get in very low and gain real big. I want you to know today when I sold that AT&T stock, and I sold some other stocks too, because I just want them off. In the past month, I had 23 stocks in my portfolio. I got it down to 10. But the total revenue in my portfolio only went down about $500. I'm investing in the right stocks, and I'm buying thousands for pennies that I believe are going to give me a huge return on my investment, my penny investment, because they're futuristic companies, they're blockchain companies, they're fintech companies, and the like. And that's what I'm investing in using Fidelity. So my portfolio got smaller, shorter, but the revenue in there earned only went down about $500. And I sold a handful today. I just speak about AT&T. The other ones, I just wanted to get rid of them. So yes, at tax time, I did take a loss in the handful of companies that I sold and the handful of stocks that I sold. But that's going to help balance out my taxes at tax time, because I don't want those companies. I've been investing for a year and a half. I figured out what works for me, and I didn't want them even on my profile anymore. I wanted my portfolio. I just wanted to get rid of them, and it's done. And I gave myself some extra money for the month of December, and it's good because I did make some profits with some other stocks. So it'll balance everything out, and my business write-offs. I have a lot of write-offs this year, and my mile write-offs because I'm a gig worker. So I have already looked into more futuristic companies, but until I put my own money, I have to create the accounts, put money down. I will be sharing that information at Inside a Stock Market webpage at MyIncomeJob.com if you want to learn about it. So I felt that was worth informing you. Now I have to let everything sink in. I feel we are living in a time of chance of a lifetime to invest, people like myself, to get ahead in life. I bought a lot of amazing futuristic stocks, especially in blockchain, and a handful in crypto, on top of the stocks I have in Fidelity, that they're all futuristic stocks. And that's the way to go. And now I want to leave it. I want to let it stew. I want to let it grow. I'm not taking these stocks out. I'm not going to cash out unless I really need the money. And I'm going to let it reach the 4 digits and the 5 digits, because these are major players. These are major companies. These are companies that are major players in the industry, the futuristic industry. All right? Visit the links in the description below. Get in the know. And we are living a chance of a lifetime. I'll see you guys. Have a good one. Bye.